Also, I'll try and get this one here going today. This meter going, so 3 phase, 207.7 volts a kilowatt hour, tip of 5 to 15 amp, CT, 0.9 watt hours per pulse, 4 wire, 50 hertz, 240 volt, 180 to 5, so it's obviously a CT, so 15 amps. I can put for this maximum on direct wide. This goes to some sort of a pulse reader, pulse LED there, 0.9 watt hours per pulse. Instead of blanking sticker, State Electricity Commission of Victoria. You can just see it. Then this mob took over. Solaris Power. Well, they're pretty much defunct now. It's all Power, Core City Power, and all other foreign companies now. Anyway, got to keep the wires going from there, goes in there. Diode resistor to the LED. Let's wire this thing up and give it a test. Okay, everyone's got it wired up. Did a quick test. I got a lot of losses for some reason. This one spins very slowly. It should be spinning faster than this one. Interesting. Oh, it's SDMP. I just noticed I punched that T in there afterwards when I put the pulsing unit in. So it's been modified, this one. SDMP from the factory, and they modified it to an SDMP T. Could have punched it in there afterwards. It's 15 amps going for that. That's maximum I can get. It's going very slowly. I reckon what I might have actually done, might not energise my potentials properly. Yeah, I reckon my potential coil is not energised properly. Yeah, one or more of them might not be getting energised. But the LED is going. LED is only connected to one set. Yeah, I might not have energised the potentials properly in this one. And it's going backwards and that one's going forwards. Anyway, it will be accurate. Going very slowly backwards. Anyway. Yeah, doing the current transformer ones is a little bit more trickier. Using this type of setup. Yeah. Anyway, it'd be accurate nonetheless. We can see it turning very slowly. Yeah, it's creepy. I haven't got the potentials energised properly, but anyway, you get the picture. You can see the marks on the load wheel there. Clean up alright. Got some of the scuffs off it. A little bit of scuffs here, but I reckon you can use some whitening toothpaste. That can work good as well. Anyway, that was a quick test. You see in there, it's kind of cool. Yeah, it's been a while since I looked at my meters. Just been too bloody flat out of work. Haven't really been in here much at all. Haven't had much time at all to make much videos. Oh, it was PCC. These are from the Melbourne area, so it would have been, don't know, something City Council, maybe Prey City Council, one of those suburbs of Melbourne. K equals 80. 180-5. Yeah. Finding how to use this little interface here would be interesting. I haven't seen what voltage has come off that. Looks like it goes in there somewhere. That wire, it disappears behind here. Goes in there somewhere. Maybe it taps off somewhere in there. Goes in there and disappears. Got a light of looking at that load wheel. Oh, look at that, it's a sensor. Oh yeah, it goes to a sensor on the load wheel and picks up those marks underneath the load wheel. I did just notice that now. Okay, there's a little circuit board under there with a little sensor. And as that wheel moves, it picks it up and it reads that as a pulse. Oh, I get it. Oh, that's kind of interesting. There you go. a little circuit board in there with like a little, yeah, like a little sensor. Probably like a photo or infrared sensor of some sort. Picks up the reflections in the, certain parts of that load wheel. And that's where it will pick up the reading from. Interesting. So that's how it works. And it's got this other one here which sends a signal to that LED and makes it pulse. So it only needs that one LED to pulse per 0.9 pulse per watt hour. Or 0.9 watt hours per pulse. Judging by the marks on the bottom of that load wheel. That must only work though if this is connected to something. Otherwise, running it now without anything on here, that light will just stay on all the time. So I need something to go on here to run that. So it must be like a USB or data. So we've got power in, and the other two for data to pick up the and send the pulse signals. Starting to make sense now. Anyway, that'll be enough on this for now. Thanks for watching.